Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student living in Finland. So right now I'm in Rovaniemi for my winter job and today I have an off day. So I will be traveling to Haparanda, which is the closest point near Rovaniemi in Sweden. So we will be traveling there now and we will be going there by car. It's about 2 hour drive and we will be starting out now. It is only -1. It has been quite cold, the winter in general, this year, because it's been -15, -20 mostly. So finally it is a bit warmer. It's not exactly warm. It's still -6 and -10. So today we have -5 and we will be starting out and we finally have the sun back. So yes, we will be starting our drive now. So finally, after reaching Haparanda in Sweden, we stopped in Snusgrossen first. In this store you can buy everything for very low prices. People mostly come here from Finland to buy tobacco and snus. I will show you later in the video what snus is if you don't already know, but we mostly bought some energy drinks, and over here it is very cheap compared to what we get back in Finland. So for 25 euros roughly, we were getting 24 cans, which is about €1 for each can. And if I bought this back in Finland, it will cost around 2.5 for each can now. And the difference is a lot, so people usually come here and they buy in big quantities. Over here I'm buying only energy drinks mostly, and I bought 2 trays. This is snus, which I was talking about earlier. These are Swedish tobacco pouches. And from Snusgrossen we came to IKEA, which is very close by. This IKEA is the northernmost IKEA in the world, that's what it says. And after we were done with IKEA, we stopped at the cafeteria here in IKEA, and you have to take these cards, and you will see later why we need these cards. So the line was pretty long and we had to wait for about 10 minutes. Hey, can I have meatballs and french fries?
Yeah, how many do you want? 8, 12, 16?
8.
8?
Two of that. Two of that.
Oh, 2 of those. Yeah. And is it with mashed potatoes or french fries?
French fries.
Yeah.
What's this? The white one?
It's banana sauce?
Yeah, can I have that instead?
Instead of the brown sauce or?
What's that? The red one. The red one.
Lingonberry.
Yeah, I don't want the lingonberry. Just one with just that béarnaise. Yeah. Thank you. So after you get the food, you can place them on the card trays and then take them to the cash counter where you will finally pay. And after that we went to CandyWorld, which is a huge store for just candies and sweets and drinks. So this was our final stop here in Haparanda today. So you can see this is a huge store and you can find almost all types of candies, chocolates and everything sweet.